In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best PS5 discount codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for PS5 discount codes. As you can see right here, we have this very first website which is couponfollow.com. And if I'm going to open it, as you can see right here, I have a list with different type of promo codes that I can use to get some discounts. And for example, if I want to get this promo with 15% off, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can copy and apply on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Also going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we have some deals that we can also use. For example, we have this 20% promo code, 20% off promo code right here. And if I want to get this promotion, all I have to do is select the copy code option right here. And this is the discount code. And if I'm going to apply this promo code on my next purchase, I will be able to get that discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.